So, hi guys, it's Kevin here again and welcome back to another camping hack tips and tricks video. So, we're already out camping, we're already out in the woods. You can see we've already got a fire established and everything else. But I've come across an old Innertube. You know, that is old, that is minging. It's slimy green, it's got moss on it, it's soaking. But if you happen to find yourself in a sticky situation and you're out in bad weather and you're struggling to get a fire going, if you was lucky enough to find something like that, this is an excellent fire starter. Now if you can get your bird nest and everything going and you're struggling with birch bark or fat wood or coal fungus or anything like that, if you can find something like this, and it's unfortunate in this day and age that you probably will be able to, this is an excellent, like I say, fire accelerant. So I'm not going to lie to you, I just dampen the worst of this wet off. Figure out which way the wind's coming from. And here we are. It's excellent, almost as good as Doritos. But that will stay in your tinder bundle now. You know, that will stay alight. That will dry off your tinder bundle until it's ready to combust, till your little bird's nest ready to combust. It's an excellent firelighter. So, like I say, you have to be fortunate, but in today's world with rubbish and shit all over the place, it shouldn't be that hard to find. Most people I know that go abroad into tropical places, even the professionals like Ray Mears, they will all carry some Innertube in their fire kits, just to make sure they get a fire going. So, hope that's informative for you guys, and yeah, impromptu video, but I will definitely catch you all in the next one.